Hi, Daniel Parsons, your friendly and available Life Farm independent business owner in Washington State. I'm Pacific time zone, and I'll give you my phone number at the end of this video. And I just want to share with you the promotion that Life Farm has going on in October. It's very lucrative for people that want to not only improve their wellness, but also it pays to be healthy in Life Farm. And I really like that hat. And so we might as well earn some income when we're taking care of our wellness needs. Now, right here, I'm going to show you the Cell Wave Life Farm foot charge. And this heats up your feet, sends electrical pulses through 6 different modes. And all of the details about the product, I've already covered that in another video. My YouTube is at Life Farm Team. And so I want to quickly go ahead and cover the legalities right away. Life Farm products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with your licensed medical providers for any of your health concerns. And I'm not making any claims whatsoever. If you do choose to join Life Farm and be involved with this very, very hot device that you can use in wherever you want to use it. You saw how skinny it is. I used it in the carry-on luggage and had no problem going through security in September. And so we took a quick trip down to Northern California. And so it was wonderful to have that foot charge with us. So if you do choose to engage in Life Farm, we're not making any income claims whatsoever. Results vary when you're working in a commission-based wellness company. It depends on a few things: your experience, your effort, and your marketing techniques. And so we're not making any claims whatsoever. So now that I've got that out of the way, I can go on share screen. And here we go. We're all legal now. Now I'm at mylifefarm.com/Daniel/join/order. And so on this page, this promotional pack, circulation booster pack in your far left-hand side right there, I want to show you the product details. Okay, you will get one Cellnergy foot charge, one Cellnergy power cream, and that thermal cream, it is very, very handy. It warms up quickly. I mean, it's quick. I've got several members of my family that have had good results with this cream. And you'll get one Echo, which is the large bottle, 120 veggie capsules of the Omega Plus product. Then you'll also get a free Apex massage roller and one free Life Farm tote foot charge carrier bag. Okay, so the foot charge is the first at-home nerve stimulation system powered by multi-therapy technology to help reactivate nerve signals, boost circulation, and restore energy in your body. So $598 in the United States here in October, and that is quite a value. Has 475 points worth of commissionable volume. Now, every independent business owner earns a 15% commission, which on that pack, they've increased the CV 20% to that 475. And so you'll earn a fast start bonus of $71.25, but that's not all you'll get. You'll also get some other bonuses. Now, I have done a video about the income plan, so I do want you to go and reference that. But selling these circulation booster packs will be very lucrative for you. Now, I also want to bring up real quickly this rapid regeneration pack, and it is $549, has 430 in commissionable volume points. And so your earnings on the Fast Start bonus is $64.50. And you will get one Cellnergy foot charge and then one Laminine Echo bottle, which is 120 count. And that's the bottle that I like to purchase because we go through one of those in a month, my wife and I. So there's some other packs that have the foot charge, and so you can look at those. And so I just want to go off of screen share now and give you my phone number if you have any questions or you need me to help you with your order. Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. And so you can build a very profitable business in Life Farm because the devices they sell, and then when people are using the products like the Omegas Plus Plus, the Cellnergy Thermal Cream, and then your Laminine product, which is helping with your body's ability to repair and regenerate itself, and has stem cell activator. And it's actually a quite an incredible discovery that was made many years ago now. And so that is your back end residual incomes that you can build a very, very nice, lucrative income in Life Farm. So one last time, that phone number, 360-383-0265. Pacific weekdays. I look forward to working with you in Life Farm. Bye for now.